Atlante, the new frontier in intensive care. The new Malvastio bed is designed to ensure the highest level of care. Atlante is the synthesis of the best innovations in the field, designed to redefine standards of care and ensure maximum ease of use for operators. A bed that makes the difference. In intensive care, patients sliding towards the foot of the bed is a common issue. This phenomenon carries risks of pressure ulcers for patients and musculoskeletal stress for caregivers due to frequent manual repositioning. At the heart of the Atlante bed is a real revolution, the PAS system. Thanks to the synchronized movements of the bed frame, it keeps the patient in the correct position. With Malvastio patented technology, we elevate the quality of care, allowing individual operators to work independently and safely. Healthcare-associated infections and pressure ulcers are other constant challenges faced in intensive care. Lateral tilt supports respiratory recovery and pressure injury prevention by redistributing fluid in the lungs and skin pressures. Malvastio's rotational system allows operators to set angles, times, and cycles for automatic lateral tilt. Alternatively, lateral tilt can be activated manually via the control panels or the foot pedal system, assisting the operator in patient handling activities. Measuring the weight of bedridden patients is vital and complex. Atlante's weighing system makes it simple. Just a touch on the display to view it in real time. The data is safely stored, accessible, and exportable. To reduce the risk of falls, the bed allows operators to monitor patient exit, predictive exit, and agitation status. These, combined with other bed status alerts, ensure maximum patient safety. Radiological examinations are challenging in critical patients. The large radio-transparent area of Atlante allows direct examinations at the bedside from any angle. This solution reduces patient discomfort and supports clinical work. The sliding and removable X-ray cassette holder, with markings on the mattress cover, ensures quick and precise positioning of the plate. With drive system technology, both ascent and descent movement are assisted, making every movement simple and safe, reducing operator effort. Atlante's throttle command allows precise control of the bed speed. Anti-collision sensors ensure safety during movement. In addition, the bed can be fitted with an anti-decubitus air mattress, which can be controlled via touchscreen for dynamic patient support. Atlante is the synthesis of the best innovations in the field, designed to redefine standards and exceed every expectation of those who care and those who are cared for. Malvastio Intensive Care New Era. With a complete range of solutions for the healthcare facilities, we stand alongside those who care for life, day after day. Malvastio, close to the people.